Nature Nugget. Airplane in the sky. And look at that. Look at that scene. Oh, it's beauty. Speaking of beauty. Speaking of beauties. I guess you're ignoring me. Well, to you. Rude. They don't care. I'm just a pawn. They just use me. Right? You just use me for transportation and meals. It's all good. I'll happily be there. This way. Chloe! Hey! Bitch. Come on, this way. Come on. Yeah, you went in that deep stuff again, you dork. Happens to her every time. Anyway, I will happily be their Meals on Wheels taxi, as I was saying before I got ignored. But yeah, Nature Nugget. It's Monday, November 19th. We're out here again in our happy place. Can't get enough of it. And if you're getting tired of seeing it on these videos, you gotta check it out in real life. There's nothing like it. And then you'll totally understand why I just record the same scenes every day. But in case I don't do another Nature Nugget this week, which I probably won't, I want everybody who hears this to have a great Thanksgiving. And instead of remembering the people that aren't here, love the ones who are and cherish the ones that aren't. But don't let that be your focus. What are you all excited for? She's acting like she just smelled a bag of treats somewhere. Anyway, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hope you have a safe and happy holiday. I hope you get nice and full. Can't fill your belly, fill your heart. I know I sound like a cornball, but there's so much hate in the world. I'm sick of it. I feel like one of those old hippies, you know, peace, love, man. Why can't we all just get along? Well, I try. Anyway, be your best self and love somebody. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.